Hello, people. It's your girl China once again, aka ADA.LOVEWORLD. So, if you're just joining us, kindly subscribe, like, share, and comment just to be receiving notifications whenever we post. So, today, I would love you to watch a video. O nwere egwu mụ na ụmụ m na-egwu. Egwu anyị ji egwu mgbe anyị pe mpe. Kpukpu mkpọ ogene, ogene, ogene gị. Onye na-achọ ogene, ogene, ogene gị. Ogene, ogene gị. In this game, two people will be tapping their hands like this, like this, like this, while the other ones will be going under their hands. Do you understand? In the video, even my baby Zina tried to move with us, move with our siblings in the gap that I created with my PA. So listen and watch the video. I know you will enjoy it. So that you also learn how to play this game with your children. You understand? Have fun. Enjoy this video with me. Ogene, ogene, onye na-achọ ogene, 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 ogene,